Hi, I'm Janez Sodja with Loftware. I specialize in labeling solutions for chemical manufacturing. I would like to talk to you today about EU CLP. It's legislative act that stands for the classification, labeling and packaging of chemical substances and mixtures. This regulation is intended to boost transparency and safety for consumers by improving credibility, and it aligns with the FDA, GHS or globally harmonized system. Requirements include larger font size and increased spacing on all chemical labels. With CLP regulation updates, the EU is taking a big step forward to ensure better protection of human health and the environment. It demonstrates EU's commitment to achieve higher safety standards and ensure environmental and public health protection. These recent updates introduce clearer rules and improved labeling empowers consumers to make informed choices while boosting a more competitive and sustainable chemical industry. Who is impacted? Well, any global company that manufactures, imports, or distributes products containing chemicals within the EU market. These CLP changes create significant labeling challenges for companies who produce products with chemicals, including those found in pesticides, automotive parts, paints, textiles, household items, personal care products, medications, and more. Companies will not be able to ship products into the EU if they do not meet the new CLP requirements. The updated EU CLP regulation adds 4 new hazard classes, requiring manufacturers, tollers, and distributors to comply within specific timelines. The first deadline is the 1st of May 2025 for any new substances and the 1st of May 2026 for any new mixtures. However, companies preparing labeling for existing substances have until November 2026 and until May 2028 for existing mixtures. How does it affect your current labels? Well, increasing the font size and spacing means that you will have less space for all of your content. This will mean rework of your existing label templates. However, many companies rely on outdated or pieced-together labeling solutions, making compliance nearly impossible without manual oversight. These fragmented approaches increase errors, delays, fines, and business disruptions. Don't worry, Loftware has the solution. Our end-to-end cloud-based labeling platform supports chemical companies with managing their labeling across global supply chains. We help companies quickly adapt to new regulations, ensuring all products are correctly labeled and compliant with the latest standards and regulations, ultimately avoiding costly recalls and fines. Loftware is a certified SAP solution partner for labeling across SAP environments. We ensure tight integration with SAP ECC, SAP GLM, SAP S/4HANA, and future SAP S/4HANA for product compliance. If you would like to find out more, please visit our website at loftware.com, click on our Contact Us button in the upper right-hand corner. Hope you find this helpful, and thanks for your time.